Put in the MooMonitor collars sometime in June. We were tail painting up to then and we put them on, I suppose, about 6 weeks into the breeding season. A couple of reasons for installing MooMonitors. It became attractive with the grant available, and I was hoping that we get more information by using collars for breeding season and for the health of the cow overall. Coming towards the end of the breeding season, we picked up 6 cows that I definitely wouldn't have picked up as bulling, and 4 of them are in calf, which is a bonus. The health alerts have been something different. About 5 weeks ago, on a bad weekend, was very wet. There was a behavioural alert or a health alert came up on the phone. So I clicked on it just before milking, and it said that her rumination was well down and her resting was way up. So I went away and milked, and she was one of the last cows to come into the parlour, and she had fairly bad mastitis. I was able to cure the cow myself without having to call a vet. I felt the sales process from Dairymaster was very good. Backup service and the training online and everything I thought was excellent. Because I did the training course online. We were after using the system about 3 months at the time. It kind of made a lot of sense to what questions I had. The technical lads in Dairymaster were really good. There's been no collar after coming off. There's been no damage to anyone. Cows took to them very well. I took to it very well. The app is easy to follow. The computer system that integrates the parlour, the collars and the drafting, I think is another bonus that you have them all together like.